How to factory erase your MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can factory reset your MacBook or MacBook Air Pro, whatever model. So make sure to stick with me till the very end.
Now, factory resetting your iPad means that you want to erase everything, including the Apple ID, the photos, the files, everything, so that you can get ahead and then start from the very beginning again. It's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is you have to launch the settings app, which will normally be at the bottom of the toolbar or the apps talk bar over here. You'll find system settings, or you can just click the Apple ID logo from the top left of the screen here and then just go to this option right here known as system settings. Once you go ahead and then basically go to system settings, you have to simply go to this option over here known as general under the settings tab. Once you come to general, on the right hand side of this page, you'll find an option that says transfer or reset. So make sure to click the reset option over here as well. And once you click on the reset option, right over here, you'll find another option that says erase all content and settings. So make sure to click the erase all content and settings option. Now, one thing that I want you to understand over here is that you say administrator credentials are required to open or erase assistant over here. So all you have to do is make sure to enter the password that you use to log into your MacBook here, and then just click on the unlock option first. This is not Apple ID password, but that was the MacBook password. Now if it asks you, now you have to enter the Apple ID password. You can say this account will get signed out, so now you can click the continue option over here. It will ask you to enter now your Apple ID password, so go ahead and then basically make sure to do that as well. And once you enter your Apple ID password here, you have to make sure to click the continue option as you can find it. And once you click the continue option over there, you will be able to see a list of these options, and now your MacBook will get successfully resetted over here as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically factory erase your MacBook. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.